Welcome, today I am with MOTOROLA Moto G50 and I will show you the most useful things that you can find in the camera on this phone. So at the first we are going to start from the photo and the video mode, and when you are here and when you tap on the screen just like that, you can adjust brightness level manually. Take a look. So you don't have to use the Pro mode when you want to adjust the brightness level. You can also make it manually by double tapping on the screen. And the same when you go for the video mode. Take a look. That's very simple. Take a look. Okay, right now when you are in the photo mode, we can also quickly add short delay to our shutter. So here we got 3 or 10 seconds. We can also change it by opening this list. Here we can find it. So for example, if you want to take the group photo with your rear camera, you want to put your phone on the tripod, you can add this short delay, and after that tap on the shutter, and you got 3 seconds to go in front of your camera, or 10 seconds, depends on which one you choose, and the photo will be taken. So it's definitely one of the most useful options that you can find right here. Okay, right now we can turn it off, and we are going to smoothly move to the settings. In the settings we can find capture settings, and a very useful option is to tap anywhere to capture. So you know, sometimes when you hold your phone like that and the left or the right hand, it's not available. For example, you're holding some kind of the item but you want to take a photo, you can tap on the screen right here and the photo will be also taken. So it's useful when you cannot reach this bottom shutter, when you cannot hold your phone like that. Yeah, so you can just tap here and you can also take photos. It works on the both cameras, on the front and the rear camera. The next option that we can find right here, you have to tap on these 3 lines at the right upper corner, and we can find here the spot color. So take a look. We can make a small preview how it looks with our logo. So you have to grab this marker, put it on the color, like for example this one, and here we can adjust the colors. So to show you better how it looks, I will put this red part of the camera right here, and as you can see right now when I use the slider, only the green color, oh sorry, I just removed the phone from the camera, so take a look one more time. It's the red one, as you can see, and when I'm on this green logo, you can remove other colors, and right now only green will be available, so take a look. As you can see, this red color is still unavailable. I think that for the creative person might be helpful when you try to make, you know, some kind of the cool looking photos. Okay, and in this place we can also find the Pro mode, where we can find a lot of things that we can adjust manually, like AF, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and the AF. So for example, if you are outside and it's like, you know, 8 p.m. So basically 8 p.m. in the winter, so it's like dark outside, right? There's no sun. You can just get more light to your lenses by using the shutter speed. So you can open your shutter for a longer time, like for example for like 2 or 6 seconds. Of course, in my lighting condition the photo is too bright, as you can see. But when you are in the dark scenario and you set it for 6 seconds and then press the shutter, of course you have to remember that for the 6 seconds you have to hold your phone steady, because every move will just make a bad looking photo. So you have to press on the shutter, hold your phone like that, and right now our lenses, our camera is getting more light to the sensor. Of course you can make it with the white balance and with the ISO that you can adjust manually, and with the ISO you can also increase the brightness level on the photos. But if you don't know what is going on here and you don't understand what I'm talking about, you can check our other video on the channel where we can show you step by step all the parameters that you can find right here. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.